Are you looking for a complete toolbox but not sure which one to choose? Well, you're in the right video. That's what we'll explore today. Whether it's for small household jobs or more ambitious DIY projects, a well-equipped toolbox is essential. We've analyzed several models and selected the 3 best in terms of tool quality, durability, and versatility. You'll find the links to these products in the description below. Don't forget to click the thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Here are the 3 best toolboxes, from the least expensive to the most expensive. Let's dive in. We begin with the Amazon Basics 160-piece tool set, perfect for daily household repairs and DIY projects. It includes combination wrenches, a 3/8-inch ratchet wrench, 22 hex wrenches, 15 cm universal pliers, 15 cm needle nose pliers, and much more. Made from heat-treated alloy steel with a chrome finish, this set offers long-lasting strength and corrosion resistance. The ergonomically designed, non-slip plastic handles ensure comfort and control during use. The blow-molded case makes it easy to store and transport the tools securely. Compact, it measures 43 cm by 32 cm, with a thickness of 8 cm. An ideal choice for DIYers seeking reliability and versatility, backed by a 1-year limited warranty from Amazon Basics. However, it's recommended to wear safety glasses to protect your eyes, especially when using the hammer. Next, the Sundpey Toolbox offers a complete and versatile solution for your household, mechanical, or DIY tasks. With 257 pieces, this kit meets all your needs, whether for precision repairs, appliance maintenance, or more complex renovation projects. This set includes tools such as an adjustable wrench, hammer, screwdrivers, pliers, hex wrenches, a spirit level, and a magnetic precision screwdriver set. Each tool is made from high-quality steel with a polished chrome finish, ensuring exceptional durability and corrosion resistance. The soft, ergonomic handles improve comfort and control during use. The tools are neatly organized in a foldable case with secure latches. The robust internal structure keeps each piece in place, preventing loss and ensuring easy transport. With compact dimensions, this toolbox is perfect for home storage, the garage, or even your car trunk. Whether you're a hobbyist or a professional, this Sundpey kit is designed to simplify your work. Reliable, practical, and durable, it's an excellent investment to help you complete tasks quickly and efficiently. Finally, we have the DecoPro 228-piece tool kit. It provides a comprehensive solution for auto repairs and home projects. Forged from high-quality steel with a shiny chrome finish, these tools combine durability, strength, and corrosion protection, meeting critical ANSI standards. The set includes a wide range of professional tools, including metric socket wrenches in 1/4 inch and 3/8 inch sizes, precision screwdrivers, a hammer, tape measure, pliers, and much more. The 72-tooth ratchet allows for precise direction changes with a 5-degree rotation angle. The ergonomic handles ensure optimal comfort and precise control. Housed in a sleek black molded case, resistant to dirt, the tools stay well organized and easy to transport. Compact and robust, the case measures 44 cm by 34 cm with a thickness of 10 cm, and weighs 5.8 kg. Perfect for mechanics, DIYers, or home use, this kit combines practicality and style. You can find the links to the products in the description below. Don't hesitate to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. See you next time for another product comparison.